Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and the device has enough battery. Turn the Access 125 key to the on position so the instrument cluster powers up but don't start the engine. Once done, find the Bluetooth or phone icon on the dashboard. It's usually near the display or left switch pack. Press that button once to wake pairing mode. If nothing happens, press and hold for 3 seconds to force the cluster into discoverable mode. Now on your phone, open Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices. You should see a name matching the scooter selected. If the cluster requested pairing, confirm it on the display. If a PIN appears on either device, enter 0000 or accept the on-screen code to complete pairing. Once paired, grant permission for calls and media when prompted so audio and phone functions route correctly. Make sure the display shows connect. Finish by testing. Make a quick call or play audio to verify the scooter receives media and call routing. If audio is one-way or intermittent, disconnect and repair the phone, then restart the phone and cycle the ignition. If issues persist, reset the Bluetooth module by turning the key to OFF for 30 seconds or disconnecting the battery for a minute to clear faults, then repeat pairing. If still failing, try a different phone to isolate whether the scooter or phone is causing the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.